How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is John. I'm here with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another brand new Mini to show you. It seems like every month I get a brand new Mini to show you, and that is just awesome. Again, we've been waiting so long for the new Mini lineup to come, and now it's here. It keeps expanding, and it just keeps on getting better. This is a brand new 2025 Mini Cooper S with the JCW Style Package. Whole lot of cool stuff to talk about. Let's do it. The Mini Cooper S with the JCW Style Package. Now, it is worth noting that this is not the full-blown John Cooper Works Mini Cooper. That one is going to be coming out a little bit later. This is mostly going to be an appearance package for the car, but they've thrown in some other extra goodies as well, which we're going to go over. This particular car is in Sunnyside Yellow, one of my favorite Mini colors because it's just so bright and vibrant, and it really helps bring out all of the contrasting black elements on the car too. Just always looks great. It looks fun. It is fun. With the JCW Style Pack, you get the more aggressive front bumper. It's got little air intakes at the front of the grille there. You have this more kind of checkerboard kind of style patterning, which you're going to see on pretty much everything JCW from now on. You do have a John Cooper Works badge on the front there as well as bigger air intakes in the front bumper. Now, it's worth noting on the regular Cooper S, it is closed off on the front air intakes. On the JCW model, I'm assuming those are going to be open to let some cooling in. You'll also notice that this car has black badging front and back, which looks very cool. Again, helps it kind of contrast from that yellow paint. With the JCW Style Pack, you also get the black roof and mirrors, again, helping with that contrast, making it look a little bit sportier. This particular car also has the 18-inch exclusive wheels. These are diamond cut finishes. They look fantastic, and these come on summer performance tires. There is also a regular 17-inch wheel. That one is going to be fitted with all seasons. This package also gets the JCW brake kit, so they're a little bit bigger, a little bit stronger, and you get black calipers with JCW branding on them as well. It is also worth noting that these cars get the electronic damper control, so it is going to have electronically adjusted suspension. So say when you go into go-kart mode, it's going to tighten up the suspension, help with body roll, help with your turn-in, and give you a lot better handling. Let's flip it around the back, because there's some other stuff I want to show you. All right, walking around the back of the car, first thing to note is that you got this awesome roof spoiler on the back here. It's actually got little air channels in it too. And remember, whenever you have a spoiler on a car, it's actually the underside that's doing the work. So having air flowing underneath the spoiler and along the back window actually helps suck the car to the ground, keep it a little bit more level with better aerodynamics. You'll also notice you got more black badging in the back also, and a much more aggressive rear diffuser. The bumper has little dive planes in it, and you get vertical reflectors on the back as well. You don't get tailpipes. Those are going to be saved for the JCW full-blown models, but it does look very, very cool, especially with its black gloss paint to help, again, contrast with the body color as well. The biggest change is definitely going to be seen on the inside, so let's go hop in there. All right, taking a look inside the Cooper S JCW Style Package. Now, this is the only interior option available for this car, but I wouldn't have it any other way because it looks fantastic. Who doesn't love a black and red combo? These are very similar to seats to the ones you'll see in the JCW Countryman. So you've got the black synthetic leather down at the bottom with the red stitching, and you have this kind of pixelated kind of fabric up at the top with these JCW red stripes on there and more of that checkered flag motif. Looks really, really cool. You also get that checkered flag motif in the perforations on the seat as well. This one also gets the JCW steering wheel, so you get the perforated leather on the rim. You have black and red stitching on the inside, black and red strap serving as your center spoke, and a JCW badge in the center. You'll also notice the addition of the new center console storage area. This wasn't available on the early Coopers, but they did add it for these later models, and it's just a little extra place to put your stuff. Really nice idea, glad that they included that. Similar to what you see in the Countryman, but just nice being able to have a little bit of extra storage space since this center one does not open. You can also see that you have more of that black and red detailing on the dashboard there. These dashboards do light up. They have ambient lighting that shines through them, which is really, really cool. And the JCW Style Package also gets a black headliner as opposed to the beige, which looks really, really nice. Helps kind of close in the cabin a little bit more. Eagle-eyed viewers will also notice the addition of paddle shifters with the JCW Style Package. A lot of people were asking about that in the standard Cooper S. Hey, why doesn't it get paddle shifters? Well, they were waiting for the JCW Style Package. So you can control that 7-speed transmission by going up a gear on the right side and down a gear on the left. You'll also notice that the minus sign on the left side says boost. Well, if you hold that for a couple seconds while you're driving, you'll get an overboost function for 10 seconds to add more power to the engine, which is really, really cool. It gives you a cool kind of countdown timer in the center screen there, and in the head-up display. Looks really, really neat. Speaking of the head-up display, you do have the pop-up projector style head-up display seen in Minis in the past. It folds away when the car's off and turns on when the car's on. But yeah, works really, really well. And then you also have Harman Kardon speakers in here also. But yeah, just a great addition to the Mini lineup. I absolutely love this appearance package. I can't wait for the full-blown JCW models to come out soon. So definitely stay tuned for those. But yeah, otherwise it is going to be a very similar model to the standard Cooper S. You got that 201 horsepower twin power turbo inline 4. Works incredibly well. I love driving these cars. They're just fantastic handling. They do a great job at being a fun little car. I absolutely love them. They're so fun to drive. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a comment below if you like the JCW Style Pack on the new Cooper S. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.